Buonasera a tutti. Yes, it's the evening, it's the 1st of July, and I decided to film this video to share with you what I've learned for the whole month that I've been studying Italian. I started studying Italian on the 1st of June, so it's been 30 days. I know it's been a while since I posted videos on YouTube, and those of you who are following me know that I've had a very busy week, more like 10 days with Cambridge exams and grading and diplomas and then end of the school year parties. So today, basically the first day when I could sit down and draw a line to see what I've learned, and I would like to share with you. Actually, it surprised me how much I've learned. For example, I've learned basic greetings, some animals, basic verbs like to be, to have, to live, to work, to go, to come, etc., and their conjugations in the present, which is very useful. Just recently, I found out that you can use the present form of the verb and just add the domani, for example, tomorrow, and you can talk about the future. Cool. I learned some basic adjectives and indefinite and definite articles. And I learned about free time activities, well, some of them. I learned about food in an Italian restaurant and adverbs of frequency, and about family and family members, about connecting words like and, but, or, because, possessive adjectives, and colors, and prepositions, and shops and places in the city, rooms of the house and furniture, daily routines, days of the week, numbers and dates, telling the time, and question words. When you look at it this way, hey, I've learned quite a bit. The thing is, I've learned a lot. I know a lot of words, I understand, but I still don't know how to connect these words together. So this is what level A1 is. You know a lot of words, but you have absolutely no idea how to put them together. So I decided that I need to do something else. I need something parallel. I didn't want to totally drop busu, but I felt like I needed something. So I started a new course parallel to busu. That's called Foundation by Michel Thomas. I remember this type of course because I've taught Russian using Michel Thomas and I really liked it. What's special about this method is that you start speaking basically from the first 5 minutes of the course, and I felt that's what I needed. So I got the Foundation Italian of Michel Thomas. Maybe on my next video I can demonstrate how it works. Okay. So that was more like academic, what I've learned. So now I would like to share with you some lessons that I've learned. And they're not about grammar or vocabulary. They are about motivation and accountability and scheduling. For me, I realized that filming every day just doesn't work for me. I tried first 2 weeks, I managed to do it, and then I realized that it's not for me. I don't know how YouTubers manage to do it every day. I don't know, maybe that's all they do, or maybe they have other people who are editing it for them. I don't know. But I found it very, very, very difficult and stressful. So I'll be filming it maybe once or twice a week. I still did learn Italian, but I couldn't keep up with filming. Speaking of learning, in the beginning of the challenge, I said that I will be studying at least 30 minutes per day. And I can say that I think I managed to do it. Okay, maybe not full 30 days, but maybe 26 or 27 days I did. I put in learning something in Italian. Well, sometimes it was a song, or sometimes it was an busu. Sometimes it was Michel Thomas, the new course that I started. That's something that I made it as a part of my daily routine. So that really helped. Also, about motivation, like I said, first 2 weeks I had plenty of intrinsic motivation. Yes, rah, rah, let's do it. After about 2 weeks, it was kind of becoming a routine, kind of boring. And I was trying to find a motivation, but couldn't really. So I feel that a thing that kept me going was not motivation, but accountability. Because of course I told my whole Facebook and YouTube that I'm doing this challenge and I decided to do this and that and that. So accountability is the thing that is pulling me through now, is helping me to do it, to continue and not to give up. Also, a thing that at the end of the 3 months, I will have to either to make a video or to have a conversation with an Italian person. So that also helps me to keep on going. Also, I learned that it is important to mix different types of studying. Not just do one thing, not just do one application, but mix them with songs like I did, or movies. Oh, by the way, I started watching a new series in Italian on Netflix. It's called Il Processo, The Trial. And I'm watching it in Italian with English subtitles. And it's actually amazing how much I understand. I understand not only just words, but sometimes whole phrases, because I can read in English, but I can understand actually every single word that was in a phrase, and I can understand the translation. So that's amazing. Also YouTube videos. I found this YouTube channel that's called Easy Italian, and they have videos about everyday subjects, and they interview people on the streets. It's very interesting. It's very well done, and I've enjoyed those also a lot. So I guess that's all I wanted to share with you. I'll try to film another video in maybe 3 to 7 days where I would like to show you Michel Thomas method. Maybe you like it. Maybe you would like to learn your next language using Michel Thomas method. Until then, have a wonderful day or evening or good night. Bye-bye. Ciao.